Hello everyone, how are you? So today I received a espresso machine from China actually. So here's the model. So actually whoever wants to use at home the espresso machine, maybe you can purchase like this. Okay, let me start. I already fill the water here. There is a water chamber. Let me plug in. Okay, now I started. Here is the turn button. I have to wait because the temperature is going up and it's blinking. Before I already used this machine also, so I know about this. You have to wait until the blinking is off. So let me wait. The temperature is going up. Okay, now it's ready. Even you can hear the sound as well. Let me check. Yes, now it's working. If you want to steam, that you have to press this one and you have to wait again for steaming the milk until stop the blinking. Even you will hear the sound as well when it will be ready. Yeah, I think now it's ready for steaming. Yes, so just let me check. Yeah, so you can steam the milk with this one. Just turn it off. You have to release the air from the steam one, because if you don't release it, you cannot check the espresso shot. See, it's finished. Now it's going down. Now you can, I think you can use for the espresso again. Now here should be 95 when you want to press it down. Now it's showing the seconds, how many seconds it will run for the espresso. So that's it. Here's the spoon. You can temp from this side, and even you get the two basket. This one for single and this one for double.